Subscribe to us for more updates. Here's how to blur video backgrounds with InShot. Download the latest version of InShot via the link in the description. Import your video into the InShot app. Tap Effect. Tap AI Effect. Select Blur. Select Gauze and adjust the value to choose how much blur you want to add. Make sure the effect covers the entire clip, and here's the final results. You can choose from several blur effects according to your preference. There are different types of shapes and styles of blur.